Hello! In this video we will be looking at the use of Countblank, Count and Counta functions in Microsoft Excel. As it can be understood from its name, Countblank counts only the number of cells that are blank. Let's assume that we have a small data such as this, and the only thing that you have to do is write Countblank, and after you choose, select your range. Once you select and close your parentheses, you will be able to see your result. As we can see, we have 3 blank cells in this data and the result is accurate. The count function counts the number of cells that has only numbers. In this case, it is going to count only the numbers. So we're going to get the result of 5. When you write count and then choose your range and then close your parentheses, you will be able to see your result in here. And lastly, Counta function, it counts number of cells that have numbers and or text. So it is going to count the data whether it is text or numbers, but not blank. In this case, it is going to count these parts. You can count it by writing count A and then choose your range. You can think it a count any function. And when you look at our data, as you can see, we have 10 in our count section, and that is accurate. I hope this video was informative enough. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe. Thanks for watching.